Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's delve into the process of connecting a custom domain to your Minecraft server. This is a very common and desirable task to make your server more professional and easier for players to remember. We'll cover the concepts, the necessary steps, and some common troubleshooting. This tutorial will assume you have a Minecraft server already set up and running. Understanding the concepts. Before we dive into the how, it's important to grasp the why and what behind the scenes. Connecting a domain to a Minecraft server involves several key elements. Domain name. This is the human-readable address that your players will type into their Minecraft client to connect to your server, example play.miserver.com. You'll need to register a domain name with a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or similar. DNS, Domain Name System. The DNS is essentially the Internet's phone book. It translates the human-readable domain name into the numerical IP address of your server. When someone types your domain, their computer queries a DNS server to find the corresponding IP address. A record. This DNS record type associates your domain, or a subdomain, with a specific IPv4 address. For example, you might point play.miserver.com to the IPv4 address of your server. SRV record. This is crucial for Minecraft servers. An SRV record allows you to specify the port that your Minecraft server is running on. Without it, players will need to manually enter the port number after the domain, which is not user-friendly, example play.miserver.com 25565. Minecraft server IP address. This is the public IP address of the machine, or virtual machine, that's hosting your Minecraft server. It's how the outside world finds your server. Port number. Minecraft servers typically run on port 25565 by default. However, you might have configured it to use a different port. You'll need to know the correct port. Domain registrar / DNS management. This is the service, usually provided by your domain registrar, that allows you to modify your DNS records, records and SRV records. 2. Step-by-step guide. Here's the comprehensive process for connecting your custom domain. 1. Register a domain name. Choose a domain name that's memorable, easy to type, and reflects your server's identity. Check for availability and pricing on registrars. Purchase the domain. Be sure to consider the registration period, typically 1 to 10 years. Create an account with the registrar. 2. Obtain your server's public IP address. If you're hosting the server at home. Find your external IP address by going to a website like whatismyip.com. You might need to configure port forwarding on your router to direct traffic on port 25565, or your chosen port, to the internal IP address of your server machine. This is important so that traffic coming into your router on the Minecraft port gets forwarded to the correct machine in your local network. Port forwarding varies greatly depending on your router model. Look up your specific router's documentation for instructions. If you're using a cloud provider, example AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, DigitalOcean, Linode, your cloud provider will typically provide a public IP address for your virtual machine or instance. Look in the cloud provider's console for the server instance information. If you're using a hosting provider, example Apex Hosting, Bisect Hosting, GG Servers, your hosting provider should provide the public IP address of your server. This is often found in the server control panel or dashboard. 3. Access your domain's DNS management. Asterisk log in to your domain registrar's website, example GoDaddy, Namecheap. Asterisk find the DNS management section. This might be labeled as DNS Zone Editor, DNS Records, Advanced DNS Settings, or something similar. The exact wording varies. 4. Create a record asterisk. Asterisk this record points your chosen subdomain, example play.miserver.com, to the IPv4 address of your Minecraft server. Asterisk look for an option to add a new record. Asterisk choose the record type. Asterisk fill in the following fields, the exact names might vary. Asterisk host asterisk enter the subdomain you want to use, example play. If you want to use the root domain, example miserver.com, you might enter at or leave this field blank. Asterisk value / points to / address asterisk enter the public IPv4 address of your Minecraft server, the one you obtained in step 2. Asterisk TTL, time to live. This determines how long DNS servers cache the record. A shorter TTL, example 300 seconds or 5 minutes, means changes propagate faster, but put slightly more load on the DNS server. The default TTL is usually fine, example 3600 seconds or 1 hour. 5. Create an SRV record asterisk. Asterisk this is the most critical step for allowing players to connect without entering the port number. Asterisk add a new record. Asterisk choose the SRV record type. Asterisk the fields can be a bit confusing, but here's how to fill them in. Asterisk service asterisk underscore Minecraft, note the underscore. Asterisk protocol asterisk underscore TCP, note the underscore. Asterisk name / target asterisk play.miserver.com, replace play.miserver.com with your subdomain. The trailing ... is sometimes required and specifies the root of the DNS zone. Asterisk priority asterisk 0, lower numbers have higher priority. Minecraft only uses 1, so set it to 0. Asterisk wait asterisk 5, used for load balancing, if you only have one server, set it to 5. Asterisk port asterisk the port number your Minecraft server is running on, usually 25565. Asterisk target / value / host asterisk the domain name of your Minecraft server. This is usually the same as the name field but without the underscore Minecraft._TCP. In our example, this would be play.miserver.com, again, with the trailing dot. Asterisk important asterisk the exact field names and formats for SRV records can vary significantly depending on your DNS provider. Some providers might have separate fields for service, protocol, and name, while others might combine them into a single name field. If you're having trouble, consult your registrar's documentation or support. 6. Wait for DNS propagation asterisk. Asterisk it takes time for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, but it's usually much faster these days, typically a few hours. Asterisk you can check DNS propagation using online tools like https://dnchecker.org/ https://dnchecker.org, or https://www.whatsmiddens.net/ https://www.whatsmydns.net. Enter your domain name, play.miserver.com, and check if the A record and SRV record are resolving to the correct IP address and port from different locations around the world. 7. Test the connection asterisk. Asterisk once DNS propagation seems complete, launch your Minecraft client. Asterisk click add server. Asterisk enter your domain name, example play.miserver.com, in the server address field. Asterisk if you've configured the SRV record correctly, you should not need to enter the port number. Asterisk click Done. Asterisk select your server and click Join Server. Asterisk if everything is working, you should be able to connect to your server using your custom domain. 3. Code example, illustrative, not executable. This is not a runnable code example, because DNS management is usually done through web interfaces, not directly through code. However, this illustrates the type of information that would be used if you were interacting with a DNS API. Many cloud providers have APIs to programmatically manage DNS records. This example assumes you are working with a hypothetical DNS API. 4. Troubleshooting. Asterisk DNS propagation not complete. Asterisk the most common issue. Be patient and wait. Check DNS propagation using online tools. Asterisk incorrect IP address. Asterisk double check that you've entered the correct public IP address of your server. Asterisk incorrect port number. Asterisk make sure the port number in the SRV record matches the port your Minecraft server is actually running on. Default is 25,565. Asterisk typographical errors. Asterisk carefully check for typos in the domain name, subdomain, IP address, and port number in all DNS records. Even a single mistake will prevent it from working. Asterisk firewall issues. Asterisk ensure that your server's firewall allows incoming connections on the Minecraft port, usually 25,565. If you are hosting on a cloud platform, ensure you have opened the necessary ports in the security group or network ACL associated with your server instance. Asterisk router port forwarding. If hosting at home, verify that port forwarding is set up correctly on your router, directing traffic to the correct internal IP address of your server machine. Asterisk SRV record formatting. Asterisk SRV record formats can be tricky. Refer to your registrar's documentation or support if you're unsure how to enter the values. Pay special attention to the trailing dot in the target field, and the underscore before service and protocol. Asterisk conflicting DNS records. Asterisk if you've previously created other DNS records for the same subdomain, they might be interfering. Remove or modify them. Asterisk hosting provider interference. Asterisk some hosting providers might require specific DNS settings or configurations. Consult their documentation or support. Asterisk Minecraft client issues. Asterisk sometimes, the Minecraft client might have caching issues. Try restarting your client or even your computer. Asterisk domain registrar issues. Asterisk while rare, the domain registrar can sometimes have issues. Contact their support if you are having persistent problems. Security considerations. Asterisk DDoS protection. Asterisk Minecraft servers are common targets for DDoS attacks. Consider using a DDoS protection service, especially if you have a popular server. These services can filter malicious traffic before it reaches your server. Asterisk strong server password. Asterisk protect your RCON, remote console, password and server console access with a strong, unique password. Asterisk regular backups. Asterisk regularly back up your server data to prevent data loss in case of an attack or hardware failure. Asterisk keep server software updated. Asterisk keep your Minecraft server software, example Spigot, Paper, and any plugins updated to the latest versions to patch security vulnerabilities. Asterisk whitelisting, optional if you want to control who can join your server. You can enable whitelisting and manually add players' usernames to the whitelist. 6. Additional tips. Asterisk use a subdomain. Asterisk it's generally recommended to use a subdomain, example play.miserver.com, rather than the root domain, example miserver.com, for your Minecraft server. This allows you to use the root domain for a website or other services. Document your settings. Keep a record of your DNS settings, IP address, port, subdomain, in case you need to troubleshoot or make changes later. Test from multiple locations. After making DNS changes, check that the server is accessible from different locations, example using a VPN or asking friends in other locations to test. Consider a dynamic DNS service, if using a dynamic IP. If your home internet connection has a dynamic IP address, meaning it changes periodically, you'll need to use a dynamic DNS service to keep your domain pointing to the correct IP address. Services like DynDNS or NoIP can automatically update your DNS records when your IP address changes. Minecraft server MODD, message of the day. Customize the MODD, the message displayed in the server list, to include your domain name or a welcome message. This helps players identify your server. By following these steps and considering the tips above, you should be able to successfully connect your custom domain to your Minecraft server and provide a much more professional and user-friendly experience for your players. Remember to be patient with DNS propagation and to double-check your settings carefully. Good luck.